Welcome back. Today we are going to look at zero slope and undefined slope. A line with zero slope ends up being a horizontal line. That means the y value is always going to stay the same no matter what the x value is. So we have y equals 3. Here the line is going to cross the y-axis at 3 and it's going to stay that height all the way across the graph. So let's look at this in slope-intercept form. So if I have y equals 3 and I write out slope-intercept form, y equals mx plus b, that means that you do not have a slope at all. So your slope is 0. Our y-intercept would be 3. Since m and x are multiplied together, you're going to get 0. So we're going to have 0x, so we don't have to show it that way. So we're simply just writing it as y equals 3. And that is how you know that it is going to be horizontal. All right, let's graph this. Y equals positive 3, so I am going to find the y-axis, and I'm going to find 3, put a point right there, and no matter what the x value is, it is going to stay a horizontal line like this. Why the slope 0? Because there's no rise, the change in the y value. 0 rise over any run always is going to equal 0. Now let's look at x equals -2, where we have an undefined slope. A line with an undefined slope is going to be a vertical line. That means that the x value stays the same. So we have the equation x equals -2. So this line is going to cross the x-axis at -2. So it would cross it right here. If we try to put this in slope-intercept form, when a line is vertical, it doesn't fit y equals mx plus b because there's no way to write an undefined slope. The line is going to go straight up and down. The x value is always going to be -2 no matter what y is. So let's graph this. The line crosses the x-axis at -2 and it's going to go up and down. It'll be straight up and straight down. Why is the slope undefined? Because there's no run. Remember, the run is this direction. The change in the x is always going to be 0. You can't divide by 0, so the slope is considered undefined.